Today, we're changing things a bit. I take over the kitchen. We'll be cooking a classic Filipino dish, adobo. But not just any adobo. It's pork belly adobo. Stay tuned. Housewives, gather up. Here are the ingredients you're gonna need. When choosing the pork belly, find one that has a good meat to fat ratio. Begin by slicing the pork belly. You can slice it any way you want, but I like mine bite-sized. Next, add the 2 types of soy sauce. Followed by vinegar, pepper, and lastly, sugar. Mix it well. Make sure everything is coated with the sauce mixture. Set your stove on medium heat. Put a tablespoon of oil in the pot. Sauté the garlic until aromatic. Then followed by the bay leaf. This is critical. Don't burn the garlic because it will yield a bitter taste. Now, add the pork belly mixture. Let it cook for 20 minutes and cover it. After, stir the bottom and add 2 cups of water. Let it cook for another 30 minutes. You'll notice that the sauce has thickened. Make sure your pork belly is tender. If not, add another cup of water and let it cook for another 30 minutes or so. Once all is set, adjust seasoning depending on your preference. Turn your stove up to high to let the remaining sauce break until oil comes out of the pork belly. Stir frequently to avoid burning the bottom of the pot. Now, let's plate. You will notice a brown layer at the bottom of the pan. Scrape this. This is the best part of the dish. The caramelized bits of pork, sugar, and soy sauce. Mmm. Adobo does not need any garnishing, but I highly suggest adding chili flakes if you like it spicy, accompanied by diced tomatoes to complete the whole experience. And folks, don't forget your rice. And that's it. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked my recipe, my very own version of dry adobo, and we'll see you on our next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.